Hello guys, today I'm recording from the Model S85. I took my Model S P100D to Tesla Service Center in San Diego today because I had some issues, and they kind of looked it up and they said, you know what, no worries, we're gonna take care of it. So Tesla will take care of fixing some of the minor finishing issues that I had with my vehicle when I got it. So I don't need to pay anything, and they said that basically some of the spots or the paint spots that need to be fixed on the hood will take additional time. So I'm gonna be with the Model S, the loaner car that I got, for maybe about 2 to 3 weeks. So all is good, but the only thing I kind of feel about is, well, a couple things. Number one, I have a P100D, and I ended up with an 85, which is an older Model S. So yeah, pretty much a big downgrade in terms of performance. Even the features, so I don't have summon, I don't have biodefense weapon mode, and a couple other things. Not a deal breaker, but I remember Elon Musk said, you know what, when your Tesla breaks, you're gonna be happy because we're gonna give you the P100D, which is the best car Tesla has. So yeah, I'm not sure what happened to that. Is it because you know, they are selling all the inventory units and they're running out of units, or maybe the service center in San Diego is just overwhelmed? I mean, it took me about 2 weeks, maybe a little bit over, to schedule an appointment. I mean, those guys are really busy, you know. So I really appreciate them seeing me during lunchtime today. That was very kind of them, and they were very professional. Don't get me wrong, really nice, cool people. I mean, I would still recommend, you know, buying a Tesla, and I would definitely not replace it with anything else. But it kind of leaves you like with this desire that, can the service be better, you know, for us Tesla owners, you know. So let me take you for a tour just to show you like the car that I got today, and you be the judge, you know. This is the second one that I get because I had an issue with the suspension in the first week, and yeah, they fixed it in a few days. And they kept me posted with the text messages. So yeah, it was done very quickly. But the first one that I got was the 75D. So it was a newer model, but still 75 instead of 100. So my range was reduced from 350 miles down to 225 at the 90% charge level. So pretty much a lot of downgrade in terms of range, but the car was really nimble. Like, it was really fast when I was driving it. That's because it's a lighter weight, you know, it's a 75 instead of a 100. And it's still dual motor, but it didn't have the autopilot, which was kind of like a big letdown, because I mean, once you try autopilot, there's no going back. It's just amazing. I love it in traffic and on highway long distance cruising, you know. But from the 75D that I got last time now to the 85, I'm like, okay, you know, I wish like Tesla can kind of help those folks at the service center, maybe open another service center in San Diego, because I see a lot of Tesla cars, like a lot of Model 3s now, a lot of Model X and Model S, you know, but like I see a lot of Teslas in San Diego. It's just unbelievable. And yeah, it would be nice to kind of have maybe another service center, or maybe more loaner vehicles. So let me take you for a quick tour and just show you what I feel about this car that I got today. So this is a white Model S. It's the 85. I think it comes with the AP1, which is autopilot 1, so it doesn't have the autopilot 2 like my car does, you know. But the thing is, the car is not clean. Like, the car is dirty, the wheels are dirty, The body is dirty. So I'm not sure why. Why, like, if you have a Tesla loaner, you should at least make sure it's a clean, you know. And if I pop the trunk, you can see that there's no parcel shelf. I'm not sure if that was optional back then or if this car is just missing it. But you can see all the stuff on the flooring. There's no cover here for the I don't know what you call it, but the bottom storage area. This is my own tripod. I like to take pictures of my car. Probably I'm gonna take a lot of pictures for this one. Just love taking pictures and posting them on Instagram. And if I go inside, yeah, so it kind of looks even worse. So, and this is today. Like I just picked it up this afternoon, and now I'm just started video shooting after work. So why is it like this, you know? So, and even here you can see a lot of like hair. So I'm not sure if this is from like a pet, a cat or a dog, but it's just kind of like gross. Yeah. That's how it is, you know. So I was like, you know, yeah, maybe someone should say something to kind of like get things up and improved, I guess. And then there's the other thing, so which is like a constant pain whenever I pick up a loaner, the battery level. So I live in an apartment complex. I really don't have any way to charge the car at home, you know. And every time I pick it up, there's like half of the battery is there, you know, half of it is gone. So my thing is like, at least, you know, give me a full battery. So, and the thing is, the car was plugged when I picked it up, so I assumed it was like fully charged. But apparently, I'm not sure if maybe they didn't have enough time to charge the vehicle, you know. And I'm maybe a unique case because I don't have charging at home, but I live in an apartment, can't afford to buy my own house yet. So, and unfortunately I don't have any way to charge at the apartment complex because I'm the only guy with a Tesla. So the apartment complex doesn't have any EV charging installed. And the only way for me to charge is just to go to the supercharging stations. And the thing is, I live on the east side of San Diego, so the only charging stations available is the one in Qualcomm and downtown. I live next to El Cajon or La Mesa, and that's quite a drive. So I mean, I was able to go back to work after lunch break, but then I'm gonna have to head back to the supercharger in Qualcomm to kind of charge this Model S. I'm still waiting for Tesla to open the El Cajon location supercharger. They were saying it's coming by the end of the year, which will be awesome. So I really can't wait for the supercharger to open. And I asked Tesla, nobody knows exactly when it's going to be open, because I checked with the Tesla store in Fashion Valley and Westfield UTC. Nobody has any clue, so they are all mum about the opening date. I just noticed the car is making some sound right now. I don't know where this sound is coming from. So when I exited the vehicle, it kind of went away. So let me see. It's actually still there. Yeah. I'm not sure what's going on. I just finished updating the software on the vehicle. So that could be the reason. I don't know. The car also comes with a 3G instead of LTE, so that's another thing I thought to mention. But you know, pretty much I would say it's the charging level on the car, because even the 75D, when I picked it up last time, it was also like around 100 or so mile range, and it's a 75, so it doesn't hold a lot of charge. So maybe I don't know, Tesla thinks that everybody has a supercharging at home, not supercharging, but like a charging at home, so they just gonna go back home with the loaner car and plug it in. But certainly I don't fit into that category, you know. And this is like the second time I run into this issue. So pretty please, I mean, it would be awesome if you guys can kind of like fully charge the vehicle, at least like just to give us like, you know, the peace of mind where we don't have to think about charging cars. And I wish my apartment complex would have it. I mean, certainly when I have my own home, I will have solar panels and just charge my lovely Tesla Model S at home. For the time being, I'm kind of like at the mercy of basically supercharging outside. But yeah, not a problem, not a big deal. It's always been working out just fine. So, moral of the story, I love Tesla. The service center people are great. It would be nice to have more battery in the car. Maybe make sure it's clean before giving it to the customer. And then I don't know, maybe shorter wait time, you know, for the appointments at the service center. I mean, those guys are really getting a lot of cars, and I see a lot of Teslas. So I saw a tweet from Elon Musk. He said he's working on that. So thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care.